And so when we would sit on my bed and all those years ago talking about prom and boyfriends and love, I often wondered who could possibly be the perfect match for someone as independent yet kind-hearted as my best friend.
Turns out that first date lasted almost the entire weekend.
One thing I can say about Jordan is he is truly the kindest person you will ever meet.
I just want to extend my wish for Colleen and Jordan for a lifetime of happiness and years of great adventures together.
Colleen, we've been waiting for this day for 2 long years. Throughout those years, we have had our ups and downs, seizures, sick animals, and all kinds of other obstacles put in our path. The fact that we pushed through and supported each other through the hard times speaks volumes about our relationship.
Dear future husband, it's crazy to think I've been writing to you for almost 6 years. And now, future husband means only a few short hours. Jordan, I've been preparing for this moment for so long. I started this journal before we even met, when I just needed hope that you existed.
I remember when we first met on our date at Linwood. I was quick to want to go out with the boys. You didn't hesitate and joined right along. Looking back at that, it's funny because considering if it was today, we would be quick to go home and be lazy.
Jordan, you must have had a very special twinkle in your eye for Colleen to swipe to the right and give you a try. It worked, and tonight we fully embrace you as our son-in-law. And though I never expect you to call me Mom, you now have my official permission to stop calling me ma'am.
Jordan, I choose you today, tomorrow, and forever. Faithfully, Colleen.
You look so handsome. How's your day been?
Good. It's been good.
Good. You look so good.
You do too. Your letter was a lot. Yeah. Everyone, I got to read it in front of everybody. So,
No.
Yeah.
I hope this day is everything that you dreamed of, and I cannot wait for you to finally be Mrs. Butler. I love you so much. P.S. Thanks for making me cry at work.
Till the day I expire.
Colleen and Jordan have been blessed with examples of love that last a lifetime. Those who could not be here physically today are still here with us on this happy day.
Tell me once, then once.
Now, Colleen and Jordan began their relationship with a simple choice, which was to swipe right.
Could have been, but never was.
And they went on their first date at the Linwood Brewing Concern.
It's not the mistakes that you've made.
At some point, you two decided in your hearts that this person was the one.
In the end,
I, Jordan, take you, Colleen, to be my wife.
I, Colleen, take you, Jordan, to be my husband. I promise to make you feel loved, safe, and seen.
And I choose you every day over all the distractions and challenges to come.
I will always pick you first to join my adventures, and never forget how much of a privilege it is to spend just as much time lounging at home.
I promise to listen to you, actually listen to you. Colleen, may you never steal, lie, or cheat. But if you must steal, steal my sorrows.
And if you must lie, lie with me all the nights of my life.
And if you must cheat, then please cheat death, so I don't have to live a day without you.
So as you look at each other now, remember this moment in time. And so Jordan and Colleen, having witnessed your vows in the presence of this company, it is my honor to say that by the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
This could be the moment we've been waiting for, the chance to feel alive. Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna top this, nothing like we've ever seen. And I raise my hands to the sky, what a feeling. 'Cause I feel like dancing high. This is where it all begins.
But when I first met Colleen, two of the things I learned quickly about her was first, how driven she is, and second, that she has the world's biggest heart.
This is where it all begins, 'cause this could be the best day of our lives, yeah.
Colleen, I'm so glad that you and Jordan found each other, and I genuinely believe that you guys do bring out the best in one another. And I'm so excited that you make Jordan better. Like, that's all I could ask for in a spouse for Jordan. So, because he's my boy.
Burning like a light show, free yourself and let go. Time to see it all. Don't think about tomorrow.
You are an incredible daughter, and you will be an amazing wife.
And I wasn't sure about this guy from Fayetteville that she'd met on Hinge. However, when I met Jordan and I saw them together, I knew I had never seen Colleen in a partnership so strong and with her heart so happy. She really has found her perfect match. And what a dream it is to find someone who you can be your true self with and love them for who they truly are. I couldn't be more happy for Colleen to be marrying the man of her dreams today, and for Jordan to have the most driven, kind, and supportive partner to walk through life with.
This is where it all begins.
Tonight, we all stand beside you as you begin to write your story.
You are beautiful.